welcome to Digital Web Garage. In this session, I will show you how we can install the WordPress in a few minutes. If you wanted to start a business, if you wanted to start a website, if you wanted to start any of the services through web, you will have to have a website. If you wanted to start a website, you should install the applications and you should fill out the data and you should do all those graphical works and text. So I will show you how we can install the WordPress in a few minutes. So let's start with the work. So here you can see, if you log into any of your web hosting provider account, there you will see a list of orders. Whatever the domain you have purchased with your hosting provider, whatever the server space you have taken from the hosting provider, you will find the list of that. There what you need to do, you can see the two options. You can see here is my domain registration, here is my server space. You need to click on the hosting space. If you click on this, you will get one more window. The window will like this. You need to come down. First you will find out a domain related information. Then next you will find out the hosting related information. Once you found the hosting related information, you can see here manage web hosting. You can see this. If you click on manage web hosting, there one more window will be opened. The window will be like this. You need to come down. There you will find out the option called softcoolers app installer. You can see it here, softcoolers app installer. This is the very easiest method to install the WordPress. If you wanted to install it by downloading from somewhere and uploading here, and you will get a lot of errors like server errors, database errors, all these issues will come. If you follow these steps properly, it will be installed in a few minutes. So if you click on the application, if you wanted to host in WordPress, if you wanted to host in a PrestaShop, if you wanted to host in a Joomla, if you wanted to host it in a PHP, whatever it might be, if you click on that, this will start loading one more window. The window will be like this. I have chosen WordPress. You can see there is a newer version is released, 5.4.2. This is the new version. You can see all these are older versions. In the right side you can see it here. These are the older version. In the left hand you can see this is the newest version. So as per the data, I am clicking on install now. If you click on install now, you can see the option here. Click on install now. There one more window will be opened. There you need to fill out the information as per the there you can see this database you are going to this is the application, the WordPress latest to data, the application you are going to install. You can click on the drop down. You will find out which are the updates are available, which are the versions are available, old version, whatever the version you want, you can install it. So I'm choosing latest version is a 5.4.2. Once you click on, once you complete it, you will find the installation URL path. You need to focus on this. Basically, if you have a SSL for your SSL, means it's a security related certification. This will be provided by the hosting provider. If you have a SSL, no issue. The URL will become like this. It start with HTTPS. If you don't have a SSL for your domain, this will start like a HTTP. And these days, SSL is the important part, and almost in these days, hosting provider are providing it's a free with the domain. If you are purchasing the domain and hosting, they will provide you in free of cost. It will be included. So you need to fill out the information as per that. You just have to go down. Then finally click on install. If you click on install, it will take just a 30 to 50 seconds, maximum 1 minute. That's it. Whatever the installation you have chosen, as I shown you we already taken a WordPress and we clicked on install. That is why the installation will be comes with a WordPress. So it's take a minute of work. So once it is successfully installed, I will find out the URLs, I mean your admin URL, your website URL. So once you get the admin URL, it comes like whatever the domain you have /wp-admin. This will come like this. So whatever the input here, you can see in this last session we have given the complete information. What is the WordPress admin username and whatever the WordPress admin password, all those things we have to fill it in the last procedure step. So as per the data, the WordPress will be installed, the success message will be come, and it's a minute of work. This is the easiest way to install the website WordPress. This is the easiest way to start a new website in a minute. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel.